This is the CineView SE 4K wireless transmission system from Accsoon.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everybody, Graham Mailer Sheldon here. We're at NAB 2026 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm at the Accsoon booth, joined by Effy from Accsoon to talk about the new CineView SE 4K. So what should we know about this new transmission ecosystem, Effy?
So hello everybody, I'm really glad that we can introduce you this new generation of the CineView SE 4K. So like our previous CineView SE, it updated to 4K 30 compatibility, and also we have added the remote camera control into it. So you can remotely control your camera through this transmission system.
Well, okay, I have so many questions. I guess let's start with camera control. What brands of cameras and how does it work?
So right now we have the supported to Sony, Canon, and Nikon. So for Sony, like normal ones like FX3, FX30, FX6. You can check it out more details on our website. I can't remember all of it, sorry. And also for the Canon, we have C70, C80. Also the C400 cinema camera is going to be out soon. And also for the Nikon Z6, Z7, and Z8, and lots of them.
Okay, a bunch of cameras. Check the website for more information. And then, so this is the app behind me here. How does this work?
So if you want to do the camera control, first of all, you're gonna connect this Wi-Fi to the transmitter. And once you get into our free application, Accsoon C, and you can see all the buttons here. The first of all, you can get in and you can adjust your shutter speed, ISO, and also the aperture. And the second button should be getting into the touch focus zone. You can see it's really responsive and it's really quick. And also this one is bi-directional trigger. So once I hit the record button, all of the devices have it connected to the transmitter will record at the same time, even the camera. Also, if you are...
You're saying they're recording locally, these devices.
Exactly. So it's not like only recording by the camera. You also have the backup from each one of your mobile devices. So if you trigger the record button here on the camera, it also trigger all of your system which connected to the transmitters.
Interesting. And then how many different monitors, so to speak, interfaces, iPhones, iPads can I hand out to people on set using this system?
So maximum for four devices in total, receivers and iPads, tablet, Android system, yeah.
So Effy, you just mentioned that it can connect up to 4 devices, Android, iOS devices, of course, but what about monitors within your own Accsoon ecosystem?
So yes, absolutely, it will work perfectly with our new CineView M7 Pro monitors together, and also including the one of the 4 devices.
Now, can anyone that has one of those 4 devices be hitting record, or can you define, I want device 1 to hit record?
Exactly. You can choose from the here interfaces. Sorry, it's the Chinese. And so there's a button you can open if you want them to record once you trigger the other system. If you don't want it, you just close it. And that's it. How it works.
Great, great. And what about, so range for the 4K, up to 4K 30 you said. So what about the range for the wireless transmission?
So the range will be ideally light of sight 400 meters. Yeah, it's pretty much like this previous CineView SE.
Now, is that same for camera control? Up to 400 meters camera control?
For camera control, so only with the iPad and the mobile devices will be safely to say 100 meters around. Yeah.
So for the CineView SE 4K, what about other outputs or inputs? I mean, I see USB-C on the side. What is that for?
So except we have the HDMI and SDI port, we also added this USB-C video output, which means you can directly, connect it with the USB-C with your mobile devices, and you will get the feed directly from the transmitter or the receiver. So for example, from the transmitter, if you're using the USB-C output directly with your mobile devices, you will get a zero latency monitoring experience.
So what about powering on the transmission side when it's mounted on the camera? What's the best way to do that?
So we have 2 options. One is MPF batteries. Another one is you can directly put DC input like right now we're doing right now. So yeah.
For the CineView SE 4K, what about pricing and availability?
So the price is going to be exactly the same as previous CineView SE, $499, and it's already available for worldwide.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Effy. That's it for us here at the Accsoon booth at NAB 2026. Stay tuned for more continuing coverage from the show. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. That would be awesome. Thanks, everybody.